Welcome learners. Dear learners, today I will discuss with you process versus thread. Dear learners, this is the most expected question. So first I will discuss with you process. Process means a program in execution. It means whenever a program executes, it is known as process. And thread means a segment of process. Thread is a part of process. Next difference is a process is less efficient in terms of communication, but thread is more efficient in terms of communication. So this is the second difference. That is, process is less efficient, but thread is more efficient in communication. Why? Because thread is a segment of the process. Next difference is process takes more time for creation, but thread takes less time for creation. Next difference is process takes more time for context switching, but thread takes less time for context switching. Now what is context switching? Context switching means this is the one of the important term of process. Context switching refers to a method or a technique which is used by the operating system to switch processes from a given state to another state. That's why whenever a process switches from one state to another state, it takes time. But thread takes less time for context switching. So I hope that this difference is clear, that due to context switching, process takes more time for creation, but thread takes less time for creation. Dear learners, if this difference is clear to you, then you can like the video or subscribe the channel. Next difference is every process runs in its own memory, but thread share memory. Next difference is a process is a heavyweight as compared to thread. This is the most important difference of process and thread, that process is heavyweight, but thread is lightweight as compared to process. So I hope that this difference is clear to you, that a process takes more time to terminate, but thread takes less time to terminate. So I hope that this difference will help you a lot. So once again I repeat that process creation takes longer time due to the overhead of allocating separate memory spaces, managing resources, and establishing context switching between independent processing. And on the other hand, thread is a part of the process, that's why it takes less time for creation. So in this video, this is all about. Thanks a lot. Thanks for subscribing and liking my channel.